Neurons that fire together, wire together. They actually wire together. So you're creating neural branches in your brain, and they lock together. And here's how. The more you fire that neuron, you know what happens? The less voltage it needs, because you work on chemical and electrical signals. That's how you work. That's number one. And you know what happens after that? It sends more neurotransmitters across. There's a synapse. You're actually sending more neurotransmitters across in terms of within the synapse. And guess what? The other one on the other side, the other neuron, you know what happens? It creates more receptors on the other side. So what are you doing? You're locking yourself into place. You're hardwiring yourself.